Hey friends, this is Rochelle from Sky Valley Resort, and today I'm so excited to show you this park model. It was just delivered. It's a loft home. I don't know if you can see right above me, there's the loft. And we haven't had that many of these come in yet, so I am really excited to show you. So I'm gonna roll the delivery footage and then I'll give you a first look tour.
The house is here, this is so exciting! Here's the home! I love the colors on this home, it's really pretty. The home from the front, it's just gorgeous. We have blue-gray trim as well as a tan exterior body. There are tons of windows on the front, 8 of them, a slider. We've got clear story windows that let in a lot of natural light upstairs in the loft as well as downstairs. And then there's also this little bump out right here that's a good breakfast nook. This is really exciting. Okay, let's take a first look. Now we're inside the home. Wow, look at all these windows. That is just gorgeous. What a fantastic living room space, and what a great view. You can see the mountains out there. Oh my goodness. Here's a view of the kitchen area. There's the loft right up there. This is a double loft, so there's a loft here and then a loft over the bedroom as well. The kitchen has white cabinets. It's got silver hardware and stainless steel appliances. Now, the gorgeous thing about this kitchen, it's a U-shaped kitchen, and these countertops right here are just a beautiful solid surface countertop. Down the hallway, there are more cabinets for storage. It's good pantry area. And also, this nook right back here is the washer dryer hookup. To the left, down the hallway, we do have the bathroom. It's a little bit dark right now because the home was just delivered. We don't have electricity hooked up to it yet, but there's the shower right there. And then we've also got a square sink. Here's the back bedroom. It has a pretty gray carpet, makes it feel really nice and cozy in here. There's some built-ins right here and a large mirrored closet. Okay, so up the stairs we have one loft to the left and one loft to the right. Here's a view of the loft over the kitchen area. This is a great space for maybe extra storage, maybe it's an entertainment center, you want to put a TV up here, or maybe a game room, or maybe you even want to put a bed up here to have the kids or the grandkids come spend the night. This is the loft that's over the bedroom, so there are quite a few lights up here as well as a window on this side and a large window on this side to provide this area with quite a bit of natural lighting.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like more information about the homes that we sell here at Sky Valley, please let us know. You can drop us an email or you can give us a call.